The liver can become overburdened by processed foods, environmental toxins, medications, and alcohol. It supports liver cell regeneration, enhances bile production. Your liver is your body's primary detox powerhouse, filtering blood, breaking down toxins, and supporting digestion. Over time, however, the liver can become overburdened by processed foods, environmental toxins, medications, and alcohol. Fortunately, certain natural foods can support and enhance the liver's ability to cleanse itself. Here are 5 powerful foods that help deep detox your liver naturally. 1. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts. These fiber-rich vegetables are rich in glucosinolates, compounds that increase the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. They also support glutathione production, the body's master antioxidant, which plays a key role in neutralizing toxins. How to enjoy: steam or saute with olive oil and garlic, or add to smoothies and salads for a daily liver boost. 2. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin and selenium, both of which help activate liver detox enzymes and protect liver cells from damage. It also supports immune function and helps flush out heavy metals. Tip: crush fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to boost its beneficial compounds. 3. Turmeric curcumin. The active compound in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It supports liver cell regeneration, enhances bile production, and helps the liver break down toxins more effectively. Use it in golden milk, soups, curries, or sprinkle over roasted veggies. 4. Beets. Beets are rich in betaine, a compound that supports liver cell repair and bile flow, essential for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins. They also contain antioxidants like betalains, which reduce oxidative stress in the liver. How to eat: roast, juice, or grate raw into salads. 5. Lemon water. Lemons are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help stimulate the liver and aid in the production of enzymes needed for digestion and detoxification. Warm lemon water in the morning can gently cleanse the liver and kickstart your metabolism. Pro tip: drink a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach to start your day with a natural detox. Supporting your liver doesn't require extreme cleanses or expensive supplements. Incorporating these 5 natural foods into your daily routine can gently and effectively boost liver function, reduce inflammation, and support your body's natural detox pathways. Pair them with adequate hydration, regular movement, and mindful eating for optimal results. Your liver works hard for you. Treat it kindly, and it will thank you in energy, clarity, and vibrant health.